Hello everyone, welcome to HT Auto. When summer heats up, your car's air conditioning becomes a lifeline for a comfortable ride. But what happens when it fails? Let us explore common AC issues and how to tackle them so you can stay cool on the road. Weak airflow. Clogged cabin air filters and malfunctioning blower motors can cause weak or warm air. Stay ahead by replacing the air filter and seeking professional help for the lower motor. No cold air. Refrigerant leakage could be the culprit. A certified technician can recharge the refrigerant or make necessary repairs. Strange smells. Mold or mildew growth in the evaporator core can create unpleasant odors. Cleaning or replacing the evaporator can banish the smell. AC compressor clutch issues. Clicking or grinding noises during AC engagement indicate compressor clutch problems. Consult a professional for diagnosis and repair. Intermittent cooling. Electrical problems or a faulty pressure switch might cause the AC to work inconsistently. Visit auto repair shop for accurate diagnosis and resolution. Frozen AC. Restricted airflow, low refrigerant levels, or a faulty expansion valve can lead to frozen AC. Address these issues to restore proper function. Unusual noises. Rattling or hissing sounds suggest failing AC component. Promptly visit a mechanic to identify and fix the source of the noise. Leaking AC. Refrigerant leaks harm AC performance and the environment. Professional repairs are crucial for safety and efficiency. Electrical problems. AC functionality can be affected by faulty wiring, relays, or sensors. Have a qualified technician address electrical issues. Blowing hot air on one side. A faulty blend door actuator might cause hot air on one side and cold air on the other. Seek a technician's help for adjustment or replacement. There you have it, the top AC problems and how to troubleshoot them. Regular maintenance and quick action can keep your car's AC running smoothly throughout the hot summer. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to HT Auto for more exciting automotive content. Until next time, stay